What's up guys, it's Mr. DS18 and thank you for tuning in to another DS18 unboxing video. Today I got the TW720L, a new super tweeter added to the DS18 lineup. I'm going to open it up, I'm going to show you guys some functions, shoot some numbers, then we're going to play a song just so you guys can check this out. So, here we go. It comes with these rubber gaskets, as you can see. It has a base blocker, manual, and the new super tweeter. Check this out. You guys are seeing this. Look at that. Real nice. Real cool. So this is a 1.6-inch super tweeter with the built-in RGB bullet. That's right. This centerpiece lights up RGB mode. We're going to light it up in a second. I'm going to turn it on so you guys can check it out. Now, this tweeter does 280 watts peak power, 140 watts program power, and 70 watts AES power. It's a 1-inch voice coil, neodymium magnet, titanium. It's on an aluminum frame. Real nice tweeter. I love it. So you can adjust it, and you can put the gaskets if you need to make it shorter. If you want to make it longer, it pretty much fits almost anywhere where you want to mount it, and it looks real badass. Check that out. This is one of my favorite design tweeters. So now let's the fun part. Let's light this sucker up. Let's go to this thing right here, and let's start off with the power. And there we go. Let's flip this guy over. Check it out. We got green, red, blue. How cool is that, huh? Let's leave it on the red one right there. Cool. Now, what you guys want to hear? Let's power this baby up. Let's bring out the bass blocker. Put the bass blocker here. There we go. We connected the light. We left it in red. We put the bass blocker, positive, negative. We picked out a good song. It's facing you guys' way. Remember, this is a super tweeter. So let's see how this guy sounds. Now, specs. This is 1-inch voice coil, 240 watts max power, 140 watts program power, 70 watts AES power. It has 103 dBs. Also, frequency responses are from 2 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz. Crossover recommendations are 3 kilohertz. This is a titanium voice coil, aluminum frame. Hey, and you guys, it's amazing. Look at the size. Look at the cool features with the RGB lights. Thank you guys for tuning in. Link will be posted below. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.